Hey guys, Vic here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create discount coupon feature for sales reps. So the reps can share this discount coupon with customers. Customers are incentivized to buy, and then we can track the order back to the rep based off the discount coupon. So basically, once you turn on the feature, you just enter like what is the default value you want to give for the discount coupon. You can update this per rep. So if you go here and let me just pull up some test rep. Here you can see that you can change the discount coupon for that rep. Our system automatically generates the discount coupon code. So that also you'll be able to see here. When the reps log in, they can see the discount coupon, like what is their discount code, how much commission and everything. They can see all that over here. So coming back here, we also have the auto tagging feature. So when this is turned on, basically if anyone uses my discount coupon, then that customer gets tagged to me. And then that customer is in my customer section and I'll get return customer commission. I'll also see that customer in my customers here in the back office on the front end. Cool. So that's for discount coupon. In the next video, I'll explain the one-time discount coupon.